Hey y'all, welcome back to Chris's Kitchen and happy Super Bowl Sunday. I know that this won't come out whenever it is Super Bowl Sunday, but I figured I'd show y'all one of our little easy like party foods. I know that everybody's videos are already out and everything, but I actually cook on the actual holiday, so y'all are going to get it later. But we're just going to make some brat dogs. And all it is some bratwurst, whatever your flavor of choice is, onion, some peppers, and some seasonings. And you get it roasted in the oven. And it's the little details that I really feel like make the good brat dogs. And you don't even have to eat this as a hot dog. That's how we'll be eating them. But if you want to make it a full meal, add in some potatoes or some turnips or something to really add to just a sheet pan with some brats. But we're going to go ahead and get our veggies chopped up, get our brats on the pan, and I'll let y'all see how we do them. So the first thing I've got, and I know that my team isn't playing Go Saints, but still have my colors going on for them. We'll support till the end. They should be playing in the Super Bowl, but that's okay. So just spacing out our brats. And let's see, you can get it. So I'm slicing up a large onion. And this is basically like fajita style seasonings. Ooh, this onion's strong, so it's probably going to make me cry, just to give y'all a heads up. But we're just going to get all of this sliced. And I do use a lot of peppers because I really love the peppers on my brats. Look, a very milky onion. So let's slice everything. All right, y'all. So y'all, as y'all saw, we have a ton of veggies. We're going to pour over some olive oil. And we want them very well coated. And then I have some garlic and herb seasoning. I usually use some garlic powder, some onion powder, salt, pepper. I figured to give this a go because I don't use it too much. I like buying the mixed blends, but I find that I don't gravitate towards them. I have to want to like have something in mind for them. So I'm trying. This is very similar flavor profiles as what I would be individually using. So I'm hoping this will be yummy. And then one might be strange seasoning that I love. I feel like it gives these a little bit of a tang and I don't know, something different. Is ranch seasoning powder. You meowing, Thatcher? Your kitty's meowing? Oh, keep kitty back.
Mom, no.
Oh, I see him untangling. But we're just going to give it a little tang with the ranch powder. Now, if you're one of those people that don't like ranch, obviously you can leave that part out. But just kind of zhuzh it around and everything. And I like for the brats to be right in with the veggies because I want them to really soak up a lot of that flavor too.
Can you do it, Mom?
Just 1 minute. Now, if you wanted this as like a sheet pan meal, keep him back, not by the food, okay? Nope. He can't be by the food.
But he wants to smell.
He can smell it off my hands in a minute. But if you want to do it as a sheet pan meal, then you can even slice up these brats to help speed up some of the cooking time.
Daddy, look over there. There's the kitty on
And don't
TV.
worry, these veggies will cook down. It won't be as nearly as much as you're probably like, oh my goodness, that's a lot of veggies. You'll want this much if you're making the whole pack because everybody's going to want some of those veggies. No. Hey, just one second. Come here. Come here. Okay, thank you. Come over here with me. When you say hey to them. So, oven's going at 350. I mean, not 350, 450. We're going to cook these for about 45 minutes. And we'll get them out. And during that time, we're going to butter and toast our buns as well. Toasted buns are those little details that's going to take it over the edge. All right. We'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye. So the food's all ready. And remember what I said before, all of those peppers that we made, I probably should have cooked even a few more because this is all it shrank down to. Now, I did walk away for a little bit too long and many of my peppers and stuff got a little bit over roasted. So watch your stuff carefully and just make sure that you've got plenty of oil in there. I did have plenty of oil, but I saw that I had walked away for too long. So, also remember, toast your buns. That little small step saves a bunch. Like, it really makes the difference between just eating a dry, crusty bun. And just really top it on there. I guess the good news with this is my kiddos don't want the peppers, so there at least saves that. Eleanor is going to want just a little bit of, I know this is going to sound weird, but tomato and sliced cheese or shredded cheese on top. Thatcher's going to want some mayonnaise. I like just regular yellow mustard and a little bit of Dijon mustard. I know I'm a little bit strange, that's okay, but there you go, y'all. Perfect. Y'all have a good game day, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.